Got a pretty interesting one today. 2013 Civic. That when you try to start it, let me show you. First of all, when you put it in on, you get a clicking from here and the fuse box out there. You try to start it, nothing. Then got my scanner right here. This is fucking weird. Plug in scanner, that goes away. So it could be a ground, could be something along those lines. Try to start it, nothing. Currently deleting all the codes just so I can show y'all what it does once you delete them, because I was thinking it was fuel problem, spark problem, but it's literally the dumbest thing you could think of. Got all these codes cleared. Get out of there. Now you try to start it. And it starts. Don't recommend doing this, but unplug the scanner. Car dies. Clicking starts again. So now we're out here in the engine bay, went crazy, checking all the ignition coils, all the plugs, everything, make sure everything's connected. Just to come to find out that this ground wire that goes to the PCM is actually not tight enough. Put that on there. Tighten it up. And now we get it pretty snug on there, not too tight, but just enough. So theoretically, fingers crossed, this should fix the issue. Meaning if I switch it over to on, there's no clicking. Good. Try to start it. And we are fucking good. So yeah, if you own a 2013 Civic, car doesn't start, check this. Literally a bolt that will not let your engine start. So, and we're also missing this. Ignore that.